SAQs first of all. Application UI should not be a header. Home, feature, background, statistics, and FAQs. Application UI is not required. Remove that thing. For this, for the text here, can you give it a little more space? Like it is, you don't need to scroll to see download Android app button. It should come, push this a little above, or make this in 1 or 2 lines, not 3, and this should be in 1 line. And justify all of this properly. It should be like justified, not left aligned. What is easier life? Okay. There is a lot of space. Can you remove this space here? This space here. I don't know if you've done this purposely, but I liked the phone in the center and the features on the side. But if it is on purpose, then I don't know. Because it is feeling a little weird, like it is in the center, then left, then again left, and then right. So there is no icon for the events. Put one icon here, and see all of these are so close to the phone, and this is so far off from the phone. So put it closer to the phone. You don't need to put this section here, like this is looking weird. You have an old person here, and then you have a normal background here, and then suddenly you have galaxy here. It doesn't look good. What you have to do is instead just directly remove this entire part, this entire section that has the galaxy, and we can directly have this section, the download section, and remove this galaxy here as well, and instead put did you know dementia is not a disease here. Instead of what is dementia, write did you know dementia is not a disease. We don't need continue and no more. Remove that. Dementia deserves attention. Okay. If you can remove the white space, well and good. It is too, there is a lot of space here. Please remove the space. What is the world base? What is world base? Um, it is not worth remembering. What is world base? Never mind. Just okay. This is okay. W capital. And all of this should be justified, not left aligned. Everything should be justified. Nothing should be left aligned. Frequently asked questions should not be in the same color background as statistics, because it is a different thing. So it has to come like here in this section. And then try to add accordions like this. Like this. See, this thing, can you see what is this? And this is an accordion. When you click on it, it closes. When you click on it, it opens again. Getting it? So try to do that for FAQs. Don't just put it like this. And yeah, this is okay. This again, see, FAQs will come in this section, in this background, because it is a different section. So about easier life, above about easier life, and below statistics, there should be a new section for FAQs. Okay. And change FAQs here. It's wrong. Yep. That is